Welcome to a brand new episode of the Totally Tim Show. I am Totally Tim, I'm your host, and today is all about what's under the skin of this log. We're gonna cut this bad boy into a nice kit. It's moving. Help, save me. Anyway, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get this thing positioned on the table and find out what's inside. So let's get started. I'm very excited to see what is under the skin of this. So what we will do is we will put some water on this here in just a minute. We did have a check that we had to deal with, but I was more interested in getting some really nice furniture quality stuff because I've got a few things that I want to build here pretty shortly. So that's what I was looking for, short pieces, good 4 or 5 feet long, about 4 inches wide. What I'm going to do with the remainder of this is I'm going to go ahead and flip it up, and I'm going to just go ahead and slab that piece out as well. So let's see what we got and get started slabbing that rest of this. All right, so we went ahead and slabbed this out to 1-inch slabs for the rest of it. It's beautiful wood. The board is amazing. I just cannot get enough of this particular wood. But the reason why we went ahead and slabbed it out was really looking for some 1x4s, but unfortunately the clamping device doesn't clamp that close. I could have put some pieces behind here, but I just really didn't feel like I needed to do that, so I went ahead and slabbed this out, and I'm really happy with it. So let's take a quick look at this, put some water on it, and see what we have. Some of this stuff has just phenomenal, amazing grain in it. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Look at that spalting in there, and the flecking around these knots. It's I just can't get enough of that. Look at that beautiful wood. It doesn't get any better than that, guys. And you don't buy this at a store. This doesn't come from your local lumber store. Well, that wraps it up for today, guys. It was wonderful to be able to cut this up. I did get to learn a few of the limitations of the Timber King 2000. And no, they're not paying me. I bought this thing outright, lock, stock, and barrel. The wood, though, this white willow is just amazing. It's been sitting on the ground, like I said, for about 5 or 6 years. The pinks and the different hues and the beiges, the grays, the blues that are in this wood is just phenomenal. It's hard to express how beautiful this wood actually is. But we sure appreciate you guys being here. Stay tuned. Tomorrow we've got a lot of stuff going on, so make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button. Share comments if you want to, and as always, hit the little bell icon so you guys can stay up to date with the absolute latest of every single thing that we do. And we'll see you guys in the next episode. As always, be good to each other.